Hi friends!
Hi friends!
Today we are going to do something fun and delicious. We're going to draw some...
Lollipops!
Yeah, who likes lollipops?
I do.
We're going to draw a lollipop, and how about something else that's really sweet? How about...
Maybe cotton candy?
Ooh, I like cotton candy. Yeah, we don't have any cotton candy here, but we're going to draw some puffy cotton candy.
Oh, I love cotton candy. I had pink cotton candy before.
Yeah, cotton candy is delicious. So how about we'll draw two friends that are having fun, a lollipop and a cotton candy?
Yep.
All right, so grab a piece of paper and we're gonna turn it sideways like this. You can draw
A bigger space.
Yeah, have more space, and then grab your marker, pencil, whatever you have, and let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do, let's work on the lollipop part first. Let's do it on this side. And what I want to do is start with a circle. So let's make a big circle that just kind of goes all the way around like this, okay? And don't worry if it's not perfect. Circles are actually pretty hard to draw.
They're very, very hard for me.
So I'm going to start like this, and I'm just going to go to the left. And I'm pressing kind of hard so everyone can see. Okay, and just keep going. So you can start making your circle too, Lila.
I'm trying to figure out how you make your circle.
All right, and let's go.
How's it easier for you?
Whoops. It's not that easy. I just make curves like going all the way around.
That's a good idea.
There we go. Okay. Keep going. Or you can just kind of go, woo. And then, you know what I want to do before I start like doing some fun shapes inside? I'm going to make a smiley face inside, and then I'll know where to make all the other lines, okay? So for that, let's do some eyes. So I'm going to do it somewhere down here. I'm going to do like one eye, which is an upside down U shape, and then another one on the left side. And then some eyelashes, bloop, bloop, and some eyelashes on this side. And then how about a smiley face, so a curve going up.
I think I'm gonna make a bigger smiley.
Look how huge this head is. Whoa. And now, how about we'll make a multicolored lollipop? So it's gonna have different colors, okay?
Ooh, I think I'm gonna make a lot.
Lots of yummy colors, okay? So how about what we'll do is we'll start in the center and we'll make a curve like this. We'll go like this. So not a straight line, but just a curvy line going this way. Yep. And then we'll just continue doing that all around. Just start in the middle and make a curve going that way. And just keep going like this. Keep going.
I'm actually going to stop when I get to this smiley.
And yeah, I would just stop when you get close to the smiley face area.
I got a little.
And let's keep going now, turning around this way.
I'm turning my paper around before you.
Keep going. I want to keep making some more curves.
I'm just going to make one more this side and one more this side. Done.
Ooh, look at you. So I'm just going to count mine to make sure it's an even number. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's do one more right here. The reason why I want to do that is so that the colors, when I color them in, they can alternate colors so that I don't have two of the same color next to each other. Okay, so there is the swirly part of the lollipop. And so what you can do when you start coloring it in is you can color it different colors inside these ribbons.
I'm gonna color 3 different
Or you can do, you can do whatever you want. How about we add, now lollipops have a stick, right? So how about we draw a stick, which is just gonna be a line going down. And make a curve on the bottom. And I'm gonna make another line from here going down also to that curvy part.
Actually, I don't like to do that much. I like to just make like...
Yeah, like or you can just do a curve going like that. Okay.
Sometimes
and how about we'll just do a few more things to this lollipop. How about we'll add some ears. Add another ear on this.
Okay, if you don't make it perfect.
No.
And do you know where I need to make my ear? Right here.
Okay, and how about some arms? How about he's like really happy and dancing? Maybe we'll make an arm going up this way.
I just want to make mine straight.
Okay, and then for the hand, I'm just gonna do a heart shape. You can do round, circle. You can do whatever you
I'm
want.
very good at making hearts.
You are. And then I'm going to do another one that's going from right, going down.
Hearts.
And then I'm also going to do a heart shape for the bottom.
I'm going to put my paper.
Yeah, it might be easier for you to flip it over and draw your heart this way like that.
So then you're not like, wow.
And then how about some legs? So we'll make a leg going down like that. Actually a little bit longer leg. And I'm going to do another one that's like going down that way.
Look how big mine are.
And then some feet, so a curve.
Look how big my
Like a
feet
C
are.
shape, but a curve going that way.
Look how big my feet are.
And then another, like a shoe or something.
Good.
Beautiful. Okay, there's our lollipop. Okay, how about now that we have our lollipop friend, how about we add a cotton candy friend?
Yeah.
Okay, so for the cotton candy, what I want to do is first I want to do that like cone that the cotton candy sits in. So for that, we're going to make like a V shape right here. So we'll first make a line going down to here somewhere. And another line going down like that. Okay. And then we're going to draw like the big puffy kind of curves for the cotton candy, because the cotton candy is pretty curvy, right?
Yeah.
So I think what I want to do is I'll start here and just make kind of like a puffy cloud. So just make curves like this.
I'm gonna start up here.
Yep, and just think puffy, puffy, puffy clouds.
More puffy.
And you want to try to connect this part of the cone. So just make a curve. And if it doesn't connect, that's okay. You can connect it when you get close to it. And let's keep going.
Look how many curves I so far made.
Yeah. There we go.
Look how many curves I
Beautiful. And how about we also draw a face for this guy too? So for that, let's do some eyes. So I'll do an eye like a curve. And another eye on this side. Just a curve.
made. They're very easy to make.
Make this a little bit longer so they match.
I'm gonna make some eyelashes.
And then some eyelashes.
Other side.
And remember, if we're going too fast, you can always pause the video and finish up the part that we just did and then click play to continue on with us. So after the eyes, let's do a curve for the smiley face. And then how about we add some ears, just like the other guy. Do one ear there and another ear curving up there. And then how about to just make it look a little bit more puffy, we can just add these like little curvy lines all over the face.
I'm just gonna make like two.
So it looks like there's more depth, like it's actually puffy. There you go. Oh, I like your smiley face. I like it. It's so cute.
I like to make a bigger one so I can color it in.
And how about for the cone? I'm gonna make like a couple curves. So one from here to here. Because the cones are usually like wrapped paper. And then maybe another line from here to here.
So it's about 3.
Yeah. And
You just need to draw 2
I
eyes,
think
so
all
like
this
3.
cotton candy friend is missing is maybe some arms and some legs. Okay. So for that, let's do an arm going down like this. Maybe this time this left arm is going down instead of up. And then a heart shape for the hand. So for that, I'll just turn this around. I think that'll be easier to make a heart shape going like this, like that. And then flip it over. And then for this hand, I'm gonna have the right hand going up instead of down, like the lollipop. So we're gonna go
Kind of cool, so
right?
then they're not
And
going
up.
the same way.
Yeah, they're both looking like they're really happy, jiggly friends dancing
Done.
together. Perfect. Okay. And then for the legs, we'll do the same thing. I think I'm just gonna add a leg this way, going to the left down, and a diagonal right.
Look how big mine are.
Yeah. It's a very big dude. And then go like this. Curve. And another curve for the shoes. Ta-da! There we are. We have our lollipop swirl and our cotton candy. Yummy. They look so delicious. I think they're ready for coloring. What do you think? So what we're gonna do at this point is we're gonna speed up the video. We're gonna start coloring this in, and you guys can pause and color yours in, and then come back to see how we did with ours. Here we go. Here we are with our colored candy. So Lila, let's show yours first.
I'll show mine.
Okay, I love it. I love how your lollipop swirl has, how many colors?
3.
1, 2, 3 different colors. That's so fun. And then your cotton candy is just all pink.
Yeah.
Pink, pink, everything pink.
That's because I love the color pink.
You love pink color. Very fun. And then here's the one that I did. So my swirl has just 2 different colors. And the cotton candy has, the whole thing is pink because that's my favorite cotton candy flavor. And then we have the cone right here, and I just did 2 different colors for fun. But you can do whatever you want. And please share with us how you drew and color yours in. We would love to see how yours turns out. And the links are below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with a friend, and we'll see you next time.
Yep.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.